Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create waterfalls using particle system in Unity. So viewers, watch this video till then. My name is Sazaman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, what you have to do is go to Window and then you have to click on S Store and then you have to click on Search Online button. So what will happen that the S Store will open. If you can't find the Unity S Store option in Unity Editor, what you have to do is go to Chrome or any other browser you like, and then what you have to do is in the search box type Unity Asset Store. Okay, then you have to search for it. Then you will find the hyperlink name https://assetstore.unity.com, and the hypertext for it will be Unity Asset Store colon the best assets for game making. What you have to do is double click on the hypertext for the hyperlink, which is https://assetstore.unity.com. Then viewers, you can see that the asset store has been opened. Then in the search box you have to type complete project and then search for it. After that you have to find the project named 3D beginner complete project. You have to then click on it and then you have to click on open in Unity button. After that a pop-up will appear on which you will be able to see a button on which the text will be shown up, open Unity editor. What you have to do is simply click on this button. After that you have to download this package. I have already downloaded it, that's why this button is shown up, which is of free download. After downloading this package, what you have to do is click on the import button. After importing the package in Unity editor, what you have to do is open the main scene of this project. After opening the main scene of this project, you will see like this interface. What you have to do is then search for a game object in hierarchy named bathroom. You can see the game object named bathroom. I will click on it and then I will remove this text from the hierarchy search box, and then what I will do is expand the VFX game object. Then you have to click on the rising steam game object, and then what you have to do is move the rising steam game object in the upward direction. The particle system component is already added to the rising steam game object. That is why this view is shown up. You can see that this is basically steam, and we will convert this steam into a game object which will look like waterfall particle system. So first what you have to do is rotate the particle system so that the direction of falling is in the downward direction. Then what you can do is change the size of the particles. So what I will do is increase the start size. You can adjust the size according to your needs. Then viewers, what you have to do is click on the level game object and then you have to go to prefab and then you have to unpack completely. Now what I will do is delete the child game objects of VFX except the rising steam game object. Then viewers, what you have to do is unchild the VFX game object from level. So for that, what I will do is drag the VFX game object and then drop it here. Now it's not the child of level game object. Then what you have to do is simply drag the VFX game object and then drop it in the project assets folder. Then I will click on it and then I will click on assets and then I will click on export package. Now viewers, what I will do is click on the VFX prefab and then I will click on the export button. After that you can export it anywhere you want. I will export it in the desktop and name the file as waterfall and then I will click on the save button. Now you can see viewers that the prefab has been successfully saved in the desktop of my PC. Now what I will do is create a new project. After creating the new project, what I will do is drag the waterfall package and import it into this project. You can see this is the waterfall package which I created. I will drag and drop it in the assets folder and I will import it in this project. Now viewers, what I will do is drag and drop the prefab named VFX in the scene. You can see that the waterfall particle system is clearly visible, and like this you can also create a waterfall particle system in Unity 3D. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.